It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. With not saying a word, you can light up in the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face, let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes, say you'll never leave me. A touch of your hand, say you'll touch me wherever I fall. You say it's best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me, do you draw out the crowd?